OMRON logo in white on a blue background. A young boy and a woman walk in a park on a sunny day. Disclaimer: sponsored testimonial.
OMRON nebulizers have literally changed my life. They've changed our family's life, and of course, they've changed Hunter's life.
Hunter, the boy, plays on playground equipment. Text: a better day. Danielle plus Hunter. Hunter's mom, Danielle, sits in her living room and addresses the camera. Text: Danielle Davis, mom, asthma awareness activist, at Today's the Best Day.
I know that a mother's intuition is real. I immediately could tell something was wrong with Hunter. We had one of those little devices on his feet to track his oxygen.
A photograph of Hunter as a newborn. A photograph of Danielle cuddling Hunter as a toddler. A photograph of an oxygen saturation monitor on Hunter's big toe.
And each night it would go off and we'd run to him and he seemed to be okay. Well, it happened over and over and over again. So eventually we just took him to the doctor and we said, there's something wrong.
An image of Hunter, distraught, sitting on a man's lap in a hospital bed. Another photo of Hunter in a hospital bed, playing with toys while connected to various hospital machines.
When we finally got the asthma diagnosis, I was a little bit nervous, but I also was so grateful to finally have answers, to finally know what to do.
Text: discovering OMRON. Danielle sits in an armchair and smiles while scrolling on her smartphone.
Well, I first went online, and because there were so many opinions, I went over to my Instagram people and I said, Kate, my boy is struggling. What have you done?
Danielle and Hunter sit on the floor together and play with toys.
I had several people mention OMRON, and I was like, okay, I need to check this out because clearly people love it. The first nebulizer that I ordered from OMRON was the pediatric nebulizer. And I love that one so much because it is small, compact, and it has a little elephant on it, and it just makes him feel like a kid. It makes him feel like home. It's comfortable.
Hunter sits on a couch beside Danielle. She connects the OMRON nebulizer to the face mask Hunter wears that has a small blue elephant. Hunter smiles and giggles while Danielle administers the nebulizer treatment.
He has it right there by our couch every single day, and he knows how to do it, and we do it together, and it's so simple. You literally just, one thing connects to the other, you put the medicine in, you put it on, and it's ready to go.
Hunter connects the tubing of the face mask to the nebulizer, reclines on the couch, and holds the medicine cup as he receives treatment.
And it is by far the best nebulizer that I've ever used. After Hunter had an emergency when we were on vacation, I knew that I needed something to be just kept in my car or my bag or somewhere to just be safe.
Danielle stands in her kitchen and holds the OMRON portable mesh nebulizer carrying case in her hands. She assesses the pieces of the nebulizer contained in the case, zips the case closed, and places it in a backpack. With the backpack on, she and Hunter head for the door and exit the home.
Because it can happen anywhere. And that was when I found out about the portable mesh nebulizer by OMRON.
Danielle and Hunter sit on a bench at a park where Hunter uses the portable mesh nebulizer.
It is so small and fits right into my diaper bag. We can be anywhere at any time and he can pull it out and for those emergencies, and it's just right there. We think about these big, bulky hospital nebulizers that are so loud. And I love OMRON because they pretty much cancel all of that out. They're quiet, they're small, they're easy, they're portable. It gives me a peace of mind.
Danielle carries and gently tosses the soccer ball in her hand as they walk together in front of a mountainous landscape.
It gives me the confidence in knowing that he's going to be okay and that he will get better.
Hunter slides down a twisty slide in the playground. Danielle waits at the mouth of the slide for smiling Hunter.
Looking back to how Hunter used to be as a baby, I worried night and day, wondering if he was going to be okay. I always wondered if he would be able to join the soccer team. I wondered if he'd be able to play at the park.
Hunter and Danielle play soccer together in a grassy field. They high-five each other and smile.
I know that as Hunter grows, he's going to be able to have different nebulizers that work best for him from OMRON, and I'm so happy that he gets that he's going to be able to use them daily forever.
Danielle pushes Hunter on a swing as they talk, smile, and laugh.
Well, they have truly changed his lungs, his life, and I'm so, so grateful for them.
OMRON logo in white on a blue background. Text. To learn more about our pediatric nebulizers, visit omronhealthcare.com. Copyright 2022. OMRON Healthcare Incorporated. All rights reserved. OMR 101. Rest Vid 1. April 2022.